Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies starting from 11th till 17th of October. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading only. So it may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? Let's see, Scorpios, what is there for you. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see what is there for my Scorpios. 11th till 17th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Scorpios. At the back of the deck, we have the Six of Cups in reverse. Okay, so you might be going through a tough time, Scorpios. Okay, so this could be some bad memories of the past which might be haunting you, or some memories only, okay, or a past person who was really bad to you, who never have thought about you in a very good term. So you might be feeling nostalgic, but not in a very good way. Okay, it does not has to be, but yeah, some past is recurring in your life, so you are getting that vibe. In the past, we have Page of Wands in reverse, Five of Pentacles and Ace of Wands in reverse. Definitely there was a very immature personality. It could be your personality, but I don't feel like that. This is somebody else's energy which was trying to make you feel very negative. Could be a Sagittarius with whom you might be dealing. Somebody who actually was like a chameleon, you know, somebody who just changes its colors. Sometimes whenever they wanted to use you, they used you, and then all of a sudden you felt like you were left out in the cold. So you have a feeling where you were used by people. Okay, you have it, and you still might be cursing this kind of a person, or you might be cursing yourself. Do not overthink about it, because things happen for a reason, Scorpios. Let's see. In the present, we have the Lovers in reverse, the Tower in reverse, and the Ten of Wands in reverse. This is really a beautiful card for you, Ten of Wands in reverse. It means that you are letting go of all the heaviness, of all the pressure which you had because of this past. You are letting go. At least you are trying to let go. This is your present energies. You want to come back to your original form, Scorpios. You know, that darkness you are always into. So you might have left the original form you were in, and you are wanting to make your way back to the game. Things are making you slow down, but you are balancing everything. So that is the beautiful thing in you. In the coming future, we have Two of Wands in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse, and the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah. Okay, so there might be some delays in travels in the coming future. You might be traveling, you might be planning to travel a lot, but you might be getting some delays because of some of the other people around you. They might be delaying this, they might be cancelling. Okay, so cancellations in travels for some of you. It could be it could be a possibility. Some of you is like, some health problems also you might be facing, or you will be facing in the coming future. But it's more like a little, to me, it's more like a time where the exact reason why this will be happening is because the universe is wanting you to stay, to feel what you are feeling, to just take a pause for some time. A pause is required, my dear Scorpios. Okay, so let's clarify your reading now. Six of Cups in reverse. Too many cards. Let's see. Eight of Wands, the Lovers. Five of Swords in reverse with the Five of Wands. Wow. Okay. Okay, so at least you are out of that situation. Whatever that past thing is, you are out of that situation. But it's still in the memories. It's still like some decisions you might have made and you feel like you made the wrong decisions in life. There were a lot of arguments, fights, but you are out of that thing. That is the best thing for you, and you feel like, I'm really happy. Okay, you feel like that because things went fast. Okay, it was like a situation where you were involved fully from your heart, from your soul. Your soul was involved in that situation, but it happened fast. It was like something which you couldn't accept, but you were in a place where no matter whatever the things have happened, no matter what I'm doing, no matter where am I, now is what it really matters. Past is haunting you somewhere, but you are trying to let yourself again back in the present, and that is the best part. Ace of Wands in reverse. We have the Emperor, the Ace of Cups in reverse, and the Page of Cups. So you might be showering your energies, your love to a person where it was unrequited love. Okay, you were giving love to that person who was not requiring that. It was unrequited love. You were like, talking. It was very beautiful at first. You were giving all the energies to a stone-hearted person. Okay, it could be a situation where you were putting a lot of energies, but it was like no value was there of your work, of your love. Lovers in reverse. The World, King of Pentacles, and the Devil. Yeah, it was really hard to release from that situation. It feels like you didn't come out of that situation yourself. Universe had to pull you out from that situation because it was really bad for you. It was becoming worse and worse for you, but universe pulled you out. The Tower in reverse. Sorry. The Tower in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse, the Empress in reverse, and King of Swords in reverse. And when the universe actually pulled you out of that thing, you actually started to nurture yourself. You started to put more energies in yourself. You started to rebuild your aura, your soul again, because your soul was lost somewhere in the past, and you are still building that up. I won't say that you have come out of that completely, but you're in the process of coming out of it, and it is a very beautiful process. So just be there with yourself. Okay, give yourself more and more time. Two of Wands in reverse. We have Ten of Wands. We have the Chariot in reverse. We have Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So this might be a time. See, traveling is delayed, which I already told you. With the Chariot in reverse also, it is telling us that if you are planning to buy a new vehicle also, so just delay for some more time, or it will be delayed because of some because of some financial issues. You might be not able to get something new in this week, but it does not mean like you will never get. It is the time for you to just put more energies in your work life. Okay, if finances are required, if you know that more finances are required, so give your 100% into the situation. Rather than spending a lot of money, just try to save some, so that you can spend something in something much more valuable, for which you can use. Other than that, just keep on letting the things happen, so that whatever the situation is you are going on in the coming future also, it is coming towards a pause. If the delays are coming up in travel, so it only means that you need to give yourself more time rather than giving people the time, your time. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse, Nine of Wands, and the Hierophant in reverse. Yeah, going away from the orthodox behavior, you are really becoming a very different kind of a person. You are putting walls in front of you. You are trying to block some people. You are trying to block the negativity, actually, not people. You are blocking the negativity because you want positivity, and you are coming out of a zone where you were not able to take decisions, but now you are going to take some decisions. More happiness is coming your way, Scorpios. All right, so just keep a safe look at your travel thing, because that is something which is really coming up in the cards today for you. All right, so that is all from my side. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.